Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we're going to review the best online banks available in the US according to our research. We will review the pros and cons of each bank account, understand what are the unique features of it, and learn how to pick up the right online bank for your needs. Let's start. Just like with traditional banks, there are a number of parameters that make it easier to compare. If you're looking to compare online banks, there are several things you should consider. These include the fees. Although online banks typically have far lower fees compared to their brick-and-mortar counterparts, it is still an important point of comparison. Look at the fee structure for the types of products you're interested in. This includes monthly maintenance fees and overdraft fees for checking accounts, ATM fees, late payment fees, and other penalties. While one online bank may look particularly attractive, the benefits can be easily offset if you need to pay a fee each month for operating the account. The variety of products. Some online banks specialize in providing savings accounts and basic checking accounts, while others offer a full variety of banking services. While you may only be in the market for a checking account now, it is good to know that the online bank also offers loans, mortgages, and other financial services. Once you have built up a relationship with your online bank, you'll find it easier to access available services. So think about your current and future banking needs. Customer support. The level of customer support can also vary from online bank to online bank. Remember that you may not have access to branch and teller services, so it is important that you can access help if you have a query or a problem. Look for an online bank that offers phone, email, and chat support. This will create multiple avenues if you need an urgent answer to something. ATM network. Following on from the last point, you also need to know whether an online bank has access to a wide ATM network. It is all very well having a local ATM, but what about if you are in a different town, state, or even country? Will your ATM needs be met? Remember that if you use an ATM outside your bank's network, you will incur a fee. Even a penalty fee of $2 or $3 can quickly add up if you need to perform multiple transactions on a non-network ATM. Safety. Finally, and most importantly, you need to compare the safety protocols of the online banks. Do they use two-stage verification? Are they FDIC insured? How is your data protected? These are all important questions to answer to ensure that your money and financial details are safe. 1. Chime. All Chime products are designed to assist customers in rebuilding or establishing credit. There are only 2 savings accounts, 1 checking account, and 1 credit card available. Chime's checking account does, subject to qualification and terms, provide a fee-free $200 overdraft facility. Chime's When I Get Paid savings feature saves a percentage of your paycheck each time you get paid. The Chime app has a rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Apple and 4.7 out of 5 on Google, and offers a great user experience, allowing you to not only transfer funds and manage your transactions, but also access support and manage your card. Chime also has a toll-free number that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can contact the customer service team at any time. 2. Varo. Varo's banking product offering is limited. Rather than attempting to imitate a traditional high street bank, Varo's goal is to assist its customers in rebuilding or establishing credit. As a result, its products are specifically designed for this purpose. There are 3 accounts, 1 savings account, 1 basic checking account, and 1 credit card. You can qualify for higher rates with Varo Savings if you keep a savings balance of $5,000 or more, or receive $1,000 or more in direct deposits during the qualifying period. The Varo checking account is intended to be used in conjunction with the Varo Savings account. This is a no-fee checking account with no minimum balance or monthly fee. Varo checking also offers rounding and allows you to access your direct deposit paycheck up to 2 days early. The Varo credit card is designed to assist you in building your credit. There is no annual fee, no minimum security deposit, and no APR with the Varo secured card. Varo's app has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 on the App Store and 4.5 out of 5 on Google Play, and the website allows you to explore the products and get help with various finance topics. 3. Discover. Since its inception as a credit card provider, Discover has come a long way. Discover offers a simple savings account. There are no account fees or minimum deposits, and you can earn higher than average APY. While Discover's checking account does not pay interest, you can earn 1% cash back on debit card purchases. There are no fees, as with e-checking. If you need a replacement debit card, have insufficient funds, or have a deposit returned, you will not be charged a fee. Of course, credit cards are available, but you can also get home loans, personal loans, and a variety of checking and savings products, such as retirement accounts, CDs, and money market accounts. Discover has a rating of 4.9 out of 5 on Apple's App Store and 4.6 out of 5 on Google Play. 4. Marcus. Marcus is a subsidiary of Goldman Sachs, and this is reflected in its products. The bank provides high-yielding savings products such as CDs and a savings account. Personal loans, home improvement loans, and debt consolidation loans are also available. Marcus provides a high-yield savings account, and there are no account features or perks, but the rate is impressive and outperforms the typical interest rate offered by a high-street savings account. The Marcus app has a rating of 4.9 out of 5 on the Apple App Store and 4 out of 5 on Google. Now, besides reviewing the top banks in this category, it's important to understand how to make the smartest choice for your needs. How to choose the right bank for my needs. Once you know how to compare online banks, you will need to consider how to choose the right bank for your needs. Before you commit to opening an account, there are several steps to ensure you make the right choice. Consider your ideal type of account. The first step is to think about your specific needs. Trying to compare the myriad products and services on offer from various banks can feel overwhelming. So, it is best to think about what type of accounts you need, so you can make a more refined comparison. If you're looking for a checking account, you may prefer a bank that offers several options, or one that provides one excellent account that meets your needs. Check the fee structure. We touched on this above, but this is an important point that needs to be reiterated. Online banks are well known for their low fees, as they have lower operating costs compared to bricks-and-mortar banks. However, look at what potential fees may apply. While you may have no intention of going overdrawn, you don't want to get stung with a massive unauthorized borrowing fee if you accidentally do. Additionally, consider ATM fees, foreign transaction fees, and any other charges that may apply to your day-to-day finances. Assess bank convenience. Another crucial factor is bank accessibility. You will need to consider ATM locations, availability of customer support, and even whether there is an accompanying app. Remember that your new bank should make your life easier rather than being a pain. So, if you want to have access to your banking dashboard on the go, you may prefer an online bank that allows both online and app access. Check the terms and conditions. Even if you are convinced that you have found the perfect bank, don't forget to check the terms and conditions. All banks will provide details of the fine print, and it is vital that you read through the document and understand the implications. You can double-check the fees, ensure your money is federally insured by the FDIC, and understand the limitations of any promotional deals. How do you open an online bank account? Opening an online bank account is quick and easy. Most banks have an application process that takes just a few minutes, and you won't need to schedule an appointment to visit a branch. Like a traditional bank account, you will need some documentation, including your social security number, government-issued ID, and a funding method, if you need an initial deposit. Most account applications will begin by asking you the type of account you want to open and whether you will open a single or joint account. You will then need to complete the application form with details including your name, date of birth, contact details, postal address. In most cases, you will need to confirm your information, so you may need to email supporting documentation, such as a copy of your driver's license or other government-issued ID. This helps the bank to verify your identity. You will also need to set up a password to access the bank dashboard. The bank will detail the login procedure and whether you need to complete two-stage confirmation to log in. So you may need to set up a password and a PIN code, or provide a cell number, so the bank can confirm the login with an SMS verification code. Once your account is open, you can set up an initial deposit, if required, and start to transfer over your bill payments and the direct deposit of your salary. Many banks will have a procedure to guide you through this and may even have an automated system to transfer all bill payments from your old account. Online bank, benefits and drawbacks. As with any financial product or service, there are both benefits and drawbacks associated with online banks. By being aware of these, you can make an informed decision. The benefits. Lower fees. Since online banks have lower overheads, they don't need to staff branches. They typically charge lower fees compared to traditional banks. This means that you can access the banking services you need without paying over the odds. Better rates. This follows on from the previous benefit, but online banks typically offer better rates. You may receive a higher rate on your savings or enjoy a lower rate on a personal loan or homeowner loan. Additionally, since you can manage your accounts online, you can more easily move your money around to get the most interest on your funds. Variety of banking services. Online banks have come a long way in recent years, and many now offer a wide variety of banking services. In this way, they are comparable to traditional banks, so you can have all your banking needs catered for online. The drawbacks. No branch service. Online banks have very limited access to in-person support or help. Rather than having access to face-to-face assistance, you may need to use phone-based customer support, email, or chat. So, if you prefer to speak to a teller if you have any issues, an online bank is not the right choice for you. Cash deposit issues. If you tend to deal with cash, you may run into cash deposit issues. While you can easily withdraw your funds using an ATM, if you want to pay in cash, you may need to pay it into a traditional bank and transfer it, or find an ATM that accepts deposits. Some banks use third-party services, so you can make a cash deposit via a retailer, but there are fees associated with this. Fewer one-stop shop products. While some online banks offer superb savings and checking accounts, they may not have certificates of deposit and other financial products you're looking for. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you can find side-by-side credit card comparisons, extensive reviews, and full guides that can help you maximize your credit card rewards or build credit responsibly. What is your favorite online bank? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos as soon as they go live.